Hey everyone, today we're designing a gorgeous all-green Christmas party invitation using template. If you love non-traditional Christmas designs, this one's going to be perfect. Let's jump right in. First, let's choose a template. I'm going with this one because it has a simple layout and it works perfectly for the look we're creating. Now, let's clean things up. Go ahead and delete all the elements we don't need so we have a fresh base to start with. Next, let's edit our headline. I'm changing it to, "Join us for a Christmas party." I want the word Christmas to stand out, so let's make it a little bigger. And we'll also bold the word party so the headline feels balanced. Let's switch the date to December 2. It just makes the whole invite feel more real. Let's delete this text as well. We won't need it. Now let's move things around and center everything. Little adjustments make such a big difference, so take your time lining it all up. I'd like to switch the font for Christmas, so let's use Great Vibes. Perfect. Now let's add a bit of color. I'm turning Christmas green so it really pops and ties into our theme. Next, let's add an illustration. Head over to Elements, then Illustrations, and type Christmas. We're sticking with the green vibe, so choose an element that matches. This one is perfect. Let's place it on the design, move things around just a bit more, and make sure everything is aligned nicely. And now we officially have a modern all-green Christmas party invitation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.